This is our max class. In the previous class, we have seen some problems of exercise 2.6. Today, in this video, we are going to learn remaining sums of exercise 2.6. First, let us recall some important points of an arithmetic progression. In an AP, the general form is A plus D, A plus 2D and so on. Next we see the nth term of an AP is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A is first term, D is common difference and n is a nth term. The next point, number of terms of an AP is equal to L minus A divided by D plus 1. Here L is a last term, A is a first term, D is a common difference. The three consecutive terms of an AP is A minus D, A plus D. Here the common difference is D. Then the first four consecutive terms of an AP is A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 3D. Here the common difference is 2D. Next we see some important points of an arithmetic series. The general form of the arithmetic series is A plus D plus A plus 2D up to nth term A plus n minus 1 into D. Sum to n terms of an AP, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Then another formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. In the question, when first term and common difference given means use this formula and find the sum of n terms, or in the question, first term and last term are given means using this formula find the sum of n terms. These are the important points to remember of this exercise. Let us see the exercise 2.6 ninth sum. See the question. A man repays a loan of rupees 65,000 by paying rupees 400 in the first month and then increasing the payment by rupees 300 every month. How long will it take for him to clear the loan? In this question, what is the given? Yes, the amount to clear the loan every month is from an AP. Then Sn amount, total amount, 65,000 is total amount, that is Sn is equal to 65,000. Then first month amount is equal to first term, that is rupees 400, and increasing amount, that is common difference, D is equal to rupees 300. Here we have to find the value of n, that is here number of months to clear the loan amount, that is value of n. Let us do the solution. First you take down and write the given, that is a man repays a loan by paying in every month is form an AP. That is, first month he pay rupees 400 plus every month increasing rupees 300. So 400 plus 300 we get rupees 700. Then third month 700 plus 300 rupees 1000 up to n terms is equal to rupees 65,000. That is total amount of the loan. So here A is equal to rupees 400, then D is equal to T2 minus T1, that is 700 minus 400 rupees 300, and Sn is equal to rupees 65,000. Here we know first term and common difference. So you have to apply the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is, Sn is equal to, here we have to find the value of n. That is, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to rupees 65,000. Here n we need to find, so n by 2, 2 into a, here a is 400 plus n minus 1 into d is plus 300 is equal to rupees 65,000. Now you have to simplify this, means we get n by 2 into 800 plus 300 n minus 300 is equal to 65,000. That is 800 minus 300 n into 500 plus 300 n is equal to 65,000 into 2. Transpose this to after the equal means it becomes multiply. Therefore 65,000 into 2. Now you have to simplify this, means we get 500 n plus 300 n squared is equal to 65,000 into 2 is 1,30,000. That is 300 n squared plus 500 n minus 1,30,000 is equal to 0. Here 100 is a common factor. So you take out 100, means it can be written as 3n squared plus 5n minus 1,300 is equal to 0. Hence the quadratic equation is 3n squared plus 5n minus 1,300 is equal to, transpose this 100 after the equal means it becomes 0 divided by 100, that is 0. Now we get the quadratic equation. You have to apply the T method and find the factor of this quadratic equation. That is 3 into 1,300 we have minus 3,900, then n term plus 5n. You have to split this term, means we get minus 60 plus 65. You have to multiply this, means we get minus 3,900. Subtract this, means we get plus 5. Now you have to divide it by the coefficient of n square, that is 3. Cancelling this by 3 table means we get 1 3 is 3, 23s are 60. Hence the factors are n minus 20 into 3n plus 65 is equal to 0. Therefore, here n is n minus 20 is equal to 0. Therefore, n is equal to plus 20. Then 3n plus 65 is equal to 0. Therefore, n is equal to minus 65 by 3. We know that negative value is not possible because number of terms need not come in negative and fraction. We need to find the value of n, that is always belongs to natural number. So, n is equal to 20. Hence, he will take 20 months to clear the loan amount. This is the answer for this question. Now, we move on to the 10th sum. See the question. A brick staircase has a total of 30 steps. The bottom step requires 100 bricks. Each successive step requires 2 bricks less than the previous step. Here we need to find how many bricks are required for the topmost step. In this question, total number of steps is given, that is n is equal to 30. Then the bottom step 100 bricks, then means first term of the series is 100. Each successive steps requires 2 bricks less than. So, every steps less than 2 bricks. From this, clearly we know that it is form an AP. We need to find number of bricks required for the topmost step, that is T. Here we need to find the value of T30. Let us do the solution. First you take down and write the given. Here n is equal to, that is number of steps, 30. Then A is equal to 100 bricks. Then common difference less than, so minus 2. This we know that number of bricks in an every steps is form an AP, that is 100 plus less than 2. Therefore, 100 minus 2 we get 98 plus 98 minus 2 we get 96 up to 30 terms. In the first subdivision, we need to find the value of T30, that is number of bricks in the topmost step. Then means which formula you have to apply? Yes, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore, the general form of T30 is A plus 29D. Now you have to apply the value of A and D, that is 100 plus 29 into minus 2. Solving this means we get 100 minus 29 into minus 2 we get minus 58, that is equal to 42. Hence, the value of T30 is equal to 42. This is the answer for the first subdivision. Next, we have to find in the second subdivision how many bricks are required to build the staircase. That means total number of bricks we need to find. That is the value of S30. Here we know that the value of A 100 and D -2 and N 30. Then means which formula you have to apply for Sn? Yes, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here S30 is equal to n is 30, so 30 by 2 into 2 into 100 plus n minus 1. 30 minus 1 we have 29 into minus 2. That is S30 is equal to, cancelling this by 2 table means we get 15. 15 into 200 minus 58. That is, it can be written as S30 is equal to 15 into 200 minus 58, we have 142. Now, you have to multiply this means we get 2130. Therefore, the value of S30 is equal to 2130. Take down and write the answer for the first subdivision, answer for the second subdivision. That is, number of bricks required for the topmost step is equal to 42 bricks and number of bricks required to build the staircase is equal to 2130 bricks. This is the answer for this question. Now, we move on to the 11th sum. See the question. If S1, S2, S3 up to Sm are the sums of n terms of m APs whose first term are 1, 2, 3 up to m and whose common difference are 1, 3, 5 up to 2m minus 1 respectively, then show that S1 plus S2 plus S3 up to Sm is equal to half into Mn into Mn plus 1. In this question, first the sum of n terms of an AP is given and also given first term and common difference of the respective AP. Here we have to prove the given term. Let us do the solution. In solution, first you take down and write the given, that is, in an AP, S1, S2, S3 up to Sn, sum to n terms. Then first terms of the given respective AP is 1, 2, 3 up to m. Then common difference of the respective AP is 1, 3, 5 up to 2m minus 1. It means the first term of the S1 is 1 and common difference 1. First term of S2 is 2 and common difference 3. Then first term of S3 is 3 and common difference 5. First term of Sm is m and common difference 2m minus 1. We know that first term and common difference, so you have to use the Sn formula. n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is S1 is equal to, the value of n is n only. So n by 2 into 2, here a is 1 plus n minus 1 into d also 1. Now you have to simplify, this means n by 2 into 2 plus n minus 1. That is S1 is equal to n by 2 into 1 plus n. This is the term of S1. Next we have to find the term of S2. For this also number of terms n by 2 into, here a is 2 into, here a is 2 plus n minus 1 into d, here d is 3. Now you have to simplify, this means we get n by 2 into 4 plus 3n minus 3. S2 is equal to n by 2 into 1 plus 3n. So this is the term of S2. Similarly, you have to write the term of S3, that is n by 2 into 1 plus 5n, because it is form an AP. Now we have to find the last term, that is Sm is equal to. Last term also, in the question they given number of terms n. So n by 2 into 2, where a is m. So 2m plus n minus 1 into, here d is 2m minus 1. Now you have to simplify, this means we get Sm is equal to n by 2 into 2m. Now you have to multiply, this means we get n 2mn minus n, then minus 2m plus 1. Now you have to simplify the like term, that is Sm is equal to n by 2 into plus 2m minus 2m cancel. Therefore we have 2mn minus n plus 1. This is the Sm term. Now we have to prove the given term. That is, first you take down and write the given proof. To prove S1 plus S2 plus S3 up to plus Sm is equal to half into mn into mn plus 1. Here first we take left hand side, that is S1 plus S2 plus S3 up to Sm. Here we need to find the sum. We know that A is equal to S1, L is equal to Sm. This number of terms start from the first term. So here n is m terms. Here we know that first term and last term. So you have to apply the Sn formula, n by 2 into a plus l. That is Sm is equal to m by 2 into S1 plus Sm. By the previous step value, we have Sm is equal to m by 2 into, that is S1 is equal to n by 2 into 1 plus n. Sm is equal to n by 2 into 2m minus n plus 1. That is n by 2 into 1 plus n plus n by 2 into 2mn minus n plus 1. Let Sm is equal to m by 2. Here n by 2 is common, so you take out n by 2 into 1 plus n plus 2mn minus n plus 1. Here plus n minus n cancel and we get m n by 4 2 plus 2mn. Again here 2 is a common, so you take out 2 means we get mn by 4 into 2 1 plus mn. Now you have to cancel this by 2 table. 1 2 is to 2 2s are 4. So it can be written as m is equal to 1 by 2 into mn plus 1, which is implies RHS, that is right hand side. So here LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. This is the answer for this question. Now we move on to the last sum of this exercise. That is, find the sum of given terms. Check whether it is an AP. See the common difference here, 1A and 3A, 5A. So plus 2 is increasing. And here minus 1B, minus 2B, minus 3B. Here also minus 1 is increasing. So it is form an AP. From this we know that first term and common difference T2 minus T1 and the value of n 12. In this question we have to find the sum of the given terms. Let us do the solution. In an AP, the given AP is A minus B by A plus B plus 3A minus 2B by A plus B plus 5A minus 3B by A plus B up to 12 terms. Here we know that A is equal to A minus B by A plus B and D is equal to T2 minus T1, that is 3A minus 2B by A plus B minus A minus B by A plus B. Here the denominator is common, so D is equal to A plus B. In the numerator you have to write A minus 2B. Now you have to multiply this minus, means we get minus A plus B. Simplify the like term, means we get the value of D is 3A minus A, we have 2A minus 2B plus B, we have minus B by A plus B. This is the value of D. Then here n is equal to 12. From this we know first term, common difference and number of terms. Therefore, you have to apply the Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. That is S12 is equal to 12 by 2 into 2. Here A is A minus B by A plus B plus n minus 1. 12 minus 1 we have 11 into D is 2A minus B by A plus B. Now you have to solving this means we get S12 is equal to, cancelling this by 2 table, 1 2 is 2, 6 2s are 12. So 6 into 2a minus 2b by a plus b plus 22a minus 11b by a plus b. That is 6 into, here the denominators are common, so you write one time a plus b, then you have to add the numerator means we get 2a minus 2b plus 22a minus 11b. Now you have to simplify the like term, that is S12 is equal to 6 into 2a plus 22a, we have 24a minus 2b minus 11b, we have minus 13b by a plus b. It can be written as S12 is equal to 6 by a plus b into 24a minus 13b. Hence, the sum of the given AP is 6 by a plus b into 24a minus 13b. This is the answer for this question.